Hi, welcome to today's core vocabulary word in action video. Our core vocabulary word that we're targeting today is going to be same. Same is an adjective, and same means identical to another. Now, let's find the word same on our different AAC systems. On Word Power 60 Basic from the TouchChat app in Sotillo, same. On Lamp Words for Life, the full version of the vocabulary from PRC, same. On Snapcore First, the 80 grid from Toby Dynavox, same. I could use it to request permission and say, can I watch the same show as Tori? I could use it to relay past and future events and say, we went to the same church as my grandma and grandpa. I could use my word same to request an activity. I could say, can we play the same game that we did yesterday? I could use it to express feelings, and I could say that I feel the same as yesterday. I could use it to state personal information. I could say, I live on Walnut Street, the same street as Sophie. I could use it to reject or protest and say, no, I don't want the same snack. I could use it to comment and say, we have on the same shirt.